looked up and I saw the blue sky was still there, and so was my curiosity. So I ran to the school and I stopped the first teacher I saw and I said, why do we have a blue sky, only blue? And the teacher said, Albert, I want you to go into the school library and I want you to look up in the physical science and the earth science textbooks and see if you could seek out the answer. But I must tell you, my fellow students, when I was in high school many years ago, no scientist had discovered why we have a blue sky. But my curiosity was so great, I said, I'm going to try to seek out the answer for myself. And so the first question I asked myself was, what gives us color in our universe? And so I asked you, my fellow students, what gives us color in our universe? Okay, that student's a dark shirt.
Light.
Light. Very good. Let's give her a good round of applause. Light in our universe. Where do we get light? Light. Okay, let's do the way in the back.
From the sun.
From the sun. Very good. Let's give that a round of applause. Let's ride my bike. Do we all like to ride a bike? Most of us do. I think, sure, absolutely. Thank you. Well, I always say to myself, when I get on my bike and I start pedaling along, especially when I go up a hill and I get ready to go down that hill, I say to myself, if anything happens that I have to squeeze my handle brakes, I know the brake will zoom to a stop. But what would happen to Dr. Einstein? I would leave the seat of my bicycle and zoom, go flying over the handlebars. The same force that throws me over the handlebars is the same force that acts opposite gravity and makes the yo-yo come popping back up the street. Okay, that's the red t-shirt.
G-force?
G-force and gravity forces. I'm still going to look at the answer. It's coming close. Okay, yellow shirt.
Inertia.
Ah, inertia. Let's give that a good benefit. I knew then I wanted to be a scientist, so I would have to go to college. I entered college in Zurich, Switzerland. And I remember, as a freshman, my first year in college, they gave me a lot of courses to study, which I honestly did not like, but I had to study them. But still, my fellow students, I had to give up playing soccer. So instead, I found myself something else that aroused my curiosity. And you all know what this toy is, please? Yo-yo, yes. This is what aroused me. By the way, I must tell you, when I crossed the campus at Zurich University, and I was playing with my yo-yo, the students would laugh at me, my fellow students, and they would say, what's wrong with Albert? He's playing with that toy. It's ridiculous. But little did they realize I was not interested in playing with the yo-yo. I was more interested in figuring out what makes the yo-yo go down the string and what is the force in nature that makes the yo-yo come back up the string. Because once again, my curiosity was aroused. But this is what became very important, that I did not realize at that time, that because of this curiosity about this simple little toy, one day I would come up with a theory that would lead us into the atomic and the nuclear age that we are into today.